So today I'm here to interact with the B Pharmacy first year students of Saraswati College of Pharmacy, and I must say that it was really a nice interaction with the young minds, and it's always full of energy, enthusiasm, and a zeal to excel in their life. And this is a great experience when we interacted with these guys. They were having a dream in their eyes to excel in the industry and different fields like academia and research. Today we had an interaction on a topic, interactive learning, that how we can make this learning a beneficial tool for them and how we can make that learning easier for them to help these young minds to learn their concepts and apply their knowledge in the best possible way. Into this very interactive session, we had a discussion about certain skill sets required for 21st century, like how we can optimally use these resources, team and finances along with time and their knowledge. So during this very session, we emphasized upon communication skills, which is considered to be the tool of far most important over there for their career, and a student who is good at communication can do miracles in their life. Thanks once again to Saraswati College of Pharmacy for giving me this opportunity to interact with such a brilliant mindset and young energetic individuals. Thank you so much.